as Darren wants to play.
Hopefully you're right, though.
I hope so too.
I mean,
Meow.
things can have,
Bark.
so.
Woof.
That's what they said if I did have a miscarriage or
Who is that?
have a tubal, they have to
Who?
push it.
Mommy.
Mommy.
That there might be a chance of being able
Who is that?
to baby
Say Aunt Wendy? Wendy?
Winnie.
Who is it?
Winnie.
It's Wendy. Who is that?
Sounds like you call Aunt Wendy weenie.
Who's that?
Winnie.
Wendy. Say meow.
Meow.
Huh?
Meow.
What?
Meow.
What?
Oh, no!
You're gonna break it. Don't do that.
Are you seriously recording that?
Yeah. Darren.
Easy. Darren, show Aunt Michaela where your belly's at.
Where's your belly?
Where's your baby at? Where's your baby? He's so weird. He puts lotion. He has to put lotion on his belly. Because I'll put lotion on my belly. I'm like, I'm putting lotion on the baby.
Go.
And he's like a baby. So he has to have lotion on his belly too.
Who is that? Mommy.
Mommy. Ice. There you go.
Where's the baby? Hmm? Is he right there? Is she right there?
Be careful. I don't want you breaking Michaela's toy.
Boy.